Hi, Kathy here from kathyskutekreations with my daughter, Sherry.
Hi.
And this video is because the Fort Worth Fabric Studio is going to be putting out another quilt or wall hanging, table runner. I don't know for sure what it is, but I want to go ahead and I want anybody that wants the kit to vote. I'm going to guess it's going to be Valentine because I would think that since we did this one for Christmas, it would be Valentine's next. Had we done something for Thanksgiving, it could have been for the winter in January. So I'm thinking, I'm leaning towards some type of Valentine quilt.
Or
Let's
see, February. Oh, maybe, never mind. Maybe that is right. I was thinking of, you said Groundhog's Day. I was thinking of,
no, I said Valentine's Day. You were thinking of Groundhog's Day?
Yes.
Oh.
I was thinking of, excuse me.
Or they did...
Don't say it. Don't say it.
Well, last year they did St. Patty's Day with the clovers.
You said it.
Is that March or April?
That's
March. Okay.
So that's after February. So yeah, technically, I guess February would be your Valentine's.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So if you want the kit...
My mistake.
Let me know that you want the kit. Okay?
I want the kit.
No, don't tell me. Put it in the comments.
Well, you said tell you. I'm right here. I tell you.
And if you, for some reason, didn't get this notification that this was going up, then you have been knocked off by YouTube. So then you need to resubscribe so you're not knocked off. So that you can get...
That sounds really bad.
No, something else would sound worse than knocked off. So, anywho.
I can't say that.
So, let me know in the comments if you want it. And I'll see you next time to see who the winner is, okay? So, I'll give you a couple of days for the names.
It's a winner?
Yeah, we're going to have to tell who the winner is that's going to be picking it.
Oh, so this is a drawing.
Yes.
Oh, see, I missed that because you just said, let me know you want it.
Okay, this isn't the drawing. This is me saying, do you want it?
Uh-huh.
The next one, I will take all the names of the people that have said I want it, and that'll be the drawing, so that'll be a winner. It'll be a drawing and a winner on the same.
Oh, so it's not just volunteering your information saying, oh, I would like to have it, and then, wait for it to be posted that it comes out to buy it. This is for somebody to win
in advance,
the box.
because it's not even out there yet.
Right.
That's why I'm guessing it's Valentine's Day. Quilt or wall hanging or something. I don't know what it is. It could be something else. I'm guessing it's Valentine.
Okay.
I mean, you can guess it's anything. It can be for March. I don't know. It hasn't come out yet. Nobody said anything.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I just want to know if they want it ahead of time. It's a mystery quilt. It's a mystery.
Hey, somebody could actually make that. A mystery quilt. And
Yeah,
have it
they're
for
all
of a different month,
Mm-hmm.
So if you think about it, every month has something, right?
Yeah, some kind of special meaning.
January has New Year's. February is Valentine's. March, St. Patrick's Day. April, between March and April is Easter.
Yeah.
May is Mother's Day. June is Father's Day. July is 4th of July. August,
back to school.
Yep, back to school. September is
a holiday.
No, Labor Day.
Wait a minute, isn't August isn't the holiday in August? Or is it September? I don't remember when the holiday is.
There's a holiday in September.
Because I know there's one in May.
Well, Labor Day is September, I do believe. So October is
Halloween.
November,
Thanksgiving, and December's
Christmas or Kwanzaa. And then it has Hanukkah and some other holidays I can't remember right now.
Okay.
That's a lot. I'm missing a holiday, though. May, Memorial Day. Did I say that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So then it would be Labor Day.
So I'm thinking of a mystery quilt. August would be a good one to have a mystery quilt, only because it's all back to school stuff as everyone's geared towards. Even though when you go to the stores at the end of June, beginning of July, they've already got their back to school, back to college stuff out.
Okay.
Kind of gone away from, I want a box.
I want a kit.
I want a kit. Sorry.
That's all right. We're on a rampage here. All right. So next one I see you for Fort Worth Fabric Studios, we'll be announcing whoever the winner is. So let me know. And that's it. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye.